Welcome to the best picks. The Best Seat Beads laundry is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a pristine and comfortable car interior, especially for those who frequently transport laundry or other items that could potentially leave behind moisture or residue. These innovative seat covers are designed not just for protection but also to enhance the overall driving experience by preventing wear and tear on your car's upholstery, ensuring it remains in top condition for years to come, making them a worthy investment for any car owner. Number 5. Downy Unstopables in Wash Scent Booster Beads, Fresh Scent. Tired of laundry that loses its scent after a wash? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes smelling fresh for longer. These powerful scent booster beads are designed to infuse your fabrics with a delightful fresh scent. Enjoy a burst of fragrance that lasts for weeks. Go beyond just cleaning. These beads provide superior odor protection, ensuring your laundry stays fresh and odor-free. It's the perfect addition to your laundry routine. Simply toss them into your washing machine with your clothes. They dissolve completely, leaving behind nothing but incredible scent. Elevate your laundry experience with Downy Unstopables. Get ready to enjoy a new level of freshness with every load. What we like? Experience a burst of freshness that lasts for weeks. It offers superior odor protection, keeping your clothes smelling amazing. If you want your laundry to smell incredibly fresh long after it comes out of the wash, this is the one for you. What people say. The design of the bottle is both practical and user-friendly. The cap serves as a measuring cup, which allows me to easily pour the perfect amount of beads without creating a mess. The fresh scent is delightfully subtle yet invigorating, infusing my clothes with a clean aroma that lingers without overwhelming the senses. I've noticed that the fragrance endures for weeks, even on items neatly tucked away in closets or drawers. Safe for all skin types, including extremely sensitive skin and/or eczema. Number 4. Freelivity in Wash Scent Booster Beads. Discover the revolutionary way to enhance your laundry. Freelivity in Wash Scent Booster Beads provide a long-lasting freshness that transforms your fabrics. Experience the delightful fresh essence scent that lingers on your clothes. It's a subtle yet invigorating aroma that makes every wear a pleasure. Enjoy up to 70 washing cycles of continuous fragrance. Just a small amount provides weeks of delightful scent, making your laundry routine simpler. These versatile beads not only boost scent but also act as a fabric softener. They leave your clothes feeling soft and smelling amazing after every wash. Our formula is eco-friendly and safe for the whole family. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's gentle on sensitive skin and the environment. Each bottle contains a generous 24 ounces of our powerful scent booster. This means more washes and more freshness for your household. What we like? This option is designed with eco-friendliness and safety in mind. Its gentle formula is safe for babies and kids, while still providing a long-lasting, pleasant scent. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a laundry booster that's gentle on the environment and your family, consider this. What people say. It has lasted me almost 6 months so far with plenty left. The beads are small enough to dissolve in washer. Cardboard packaging instead of plastic. Wooden scoop makes it easy to measure and prevents waste. It requires less than name brands to achieve the same level of smell, but it smells better than big brands. It even comes with the cutest wooden scooper that I can reuse. Number 3. Downy Unstopables Laundry Scent Booster Beads. Introducing Downy Unstopables, the laundry scent booster beads that elevate your fabrics. Experience a new level of freshness with every wash. These powerful beads infuse your clothes with a delightful scent that lasts. Enjoy a burst of freshness long after your laundry is done. Simply toss them into your washing machine before adding clothes. It's an effortless way to boost your laundry's fragrance. Our signature fresh scent provides a clean and invigorating aroma. It's the perfect way to keep your garments smelling amazing. This convenient pack of 4 ensures you're always stocked up. Get more of the scent you love for your entire wardrobe. What we like? Get more for your money with this convenient pack. It ensures you always have your favorite scent on hand for consistent freshness. If you do a lot of laundry and appreciate value and convenience, this multi-pack is a great choice. What people say. Safe for all skin types, including extremely sensitive skin and/or eczema. Ridiculously easy to use, pour beads into cap and cap into washer. Fresh smelling for up to 6 weeks. Number 2. Downy Unstopables Laundry Scent Booster Beads. Introducing Downy Unstopables, the laundry scent booster beads that elevate your wash. Experience a new level of freshness that lasts. Simply toss these beads into your washing machine before starting your load. They dissolve to infuse your fabrics with an irresistible scent. Using them is incredibly simple. Just add them to your laundry, and let them work their magic. Enjoy a vibrant, fresh scent that lingers long after the laundry is done. It's perfect for all your fabrics. This generous 20.1-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of scent boosters for many washes to come. Get ready for a truly delightful laundry experience. What we like. Enjoy a generous amount of powerful scent booster. It delivers an intense freshness and effectively eliminates odors. If you're looking for a large supply to keep your clothes smelling fantastic for an extended period, this larger size is ideal. What people say. The design of the bottle is both practical and user-friendly. The cap serves as a measuring cup, which allows me to easily pour the perfect amount of beads without creating a mess. The fresh scent is delightfully subtle yet invigorating, infusing my clothes with a clean aroma that lingers without overwhelming the senses. I've noticed that the fragrance endures for weeks, even on items neatly tucked away in closets or drawers. The beads dissolve completely during the wash cycle, leaving no annoying residue or clumps on my clothing, just pure freshness. Number 1. Downy Unstopables Laundry Scent Booster Beads, Lush. Tired of laundry that loses its scent after a wash? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes smelling fresh for weeks. Experience the captivating aroma of Lush. These scent booster beads are designed to infuse your fabrics with a long-lasting, delightful fragrance. Simply toss them into your washing machine with your laundry. It's that easy to elevate your everyday. Enjoy a burst of freshness that lasts. Your clothes will smell amazing even after weeks in the closet. Make every load a luxurious experience. Discover the difference that lasting scent can make to your wardrobe. What we like. Indulge in a sophisticated and luxurious scent experience. It provides excellent odor control, leaving your clothes with an alluring fragrance. If you prefer a more upscale and distinct scent for your laundry, this option offers a delightful change from typical fresh scents. What people say. Safe for all skin types, including extremely sensitive skin and/or eczema. Ridiculously easy to use, pour beads into cap and cap into washer. Fresh smelling for up to 6 weeks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.